So you're just chilling, eating that giant burger, when suddenly boom, your body decides to glitch.
Oh,
What just
no!
happened? That's your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, going rogue. It spasms, your vocal cords slam shut, and the sound pops out like a squeaky toy. Nobody actually knows why we hiccup, but some scientists think it's a leftover reflex from when we were tiny babies in the womb.
What?
And the cures? Hold your breath, drink water upside down, or let your friend try to scare you half to death. Does it work? Maybe, but usually your diaphragm just gets bored and stops on its own.
What?
So yeah, hiccups are basically your body's way of trolling you.
Wow.
Hic.